Qiu Ding Jie is a Chinese actor. In 2025, he starred in ABO Desire. Qiu is currently signed with Shanghai Yile Culture and continues to build his portfolio in Chinese dramas and web series. He was born in Shanghai, China, but is a Fujian native. He made his debut in 2020 with the drama Dream of Lions. He is currently under Shanghai Yile Culture. In 2024, he starred in True Love Moon. The same year, she also played Cardiac Countdown. Qiu made his acting debut in 2020 with the drama Dream of Lions. His official breakout came in 2021 with the web drama Out of the Dream, marking his entry into more prominent roles. In 2023, he earned his first leading role in the short web series The Shofu Can Read Mind. He has since appeared in notable projects such as Beauty of Resilience and My Lethal Man. Qiu grew up in Shanghai and pursued his passion for acting by studying at the Shanghai Film Academy, where he graduated from the Department of Performance. This formal training laid the foundation for his career in the entertainment industry. Qiu Ding Jie is gaining recognition for his tall, charismatic screen presence and versatile performances in youth-oriented dramas.